Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok blueberry swim biscuits. So let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making a blueberry syrup. In a saucepan over medium heat, add 1 cup of fresh blueberries, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Mix everything together until the sugar completely dissolves. Now bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce it to a simmer. Continue to let it simmer on low heat for 15 minutes. Once your syrup has finished cooking, turn off the heat and mix in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Next, strain the syrup into a bowl or container. When you're finished, let the syrup cool to room temperature, then place it in the fridge until you're ready to use it later. Now we're going to move on and make the blueberry swim biscuits. In a bowl, add 1 to 1.5 cups of fresh blueberries. Then add 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix everything together until the blueberries are completely coated in the flour. When you're finished, set the blueberries to the side. Now, preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Then, place 1 stick of unsalted butter in an 8x8 baking dish. Then, place the dish in the oven so the butter will melt while the oven gets hot. Next, in a large bowl, sift 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Next, use a spatula to create a well in the center of the dry ingredients. Next, add 2 cups of cold buttermilk and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract in the center of the bowl. Mix the buttermilk and vanilla together until well combined. Then, using a spatula, fold the dry and wet ingredients together until almost combined. Then fold in the blueberries just enough so that they're incorporated into the dough, and be careful not to overmix the dough. When you're finished, set your biscuit dough to the side. By now the butter should be melted, so go ahead and take the baking dish out of the oven. Now pour the biscuit dough into the baking dish. Then evenly spread the dough throughout the pan. Next, cut the dough into 9 equal pieces using a spatula or a knife. Now bake the biscuits in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. While the biscuits are baking in the oven, we're going to make a lemon cream cheese glaze. In a large bowl, add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter. Then cream the butter and sugar together with an electric mixer until smooth. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then gradually add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Next, mix in 1 tablespoon of milk. Once you're finished making your glaze, set it to the side until you're ready to use it. By now, the Butterswim biscuits should be finished baking in the oven. Let the biscuits rest for 5 minutes, then drizzle the lemon cream cheese glaze and blueberry syrup on top. This is optional, but you can also garnish the top with lemon slices and blueberries. And this is the finished result! These blueberry swim biscuits are absolutely delicious. They're buttery and sweet and perfect for breakfast. Definitely a must try. I totally understand why it went viral. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!